So everyone, our today's topic is my trees have no leaves. Okay, my trees have no leaves. In this chapter, we have read till here. Mother throws all the leaves in the pit. Okay, mother throws all the leaves in the pit. When kids collected all the leaves, what they do? Their mother throws them that leaves in the pit. Okay, so what is a pit? Pit is hole scribed on the ground. Okay, so pit, all the garbage mother throws in the pit. Then after Sandy asks mother, people usually burn the leaves, won't we burn that? Okay, so when mother throws the garbage, the leaves in the pit, Sandy got surprised. Okay, he asked that mother, people burn the leaves, won't we burn that? See, usually we burn any garbage, right? When there is lots of garbage, what we do? We just burn that. We just turn that into ashes, right? But what happens next? The burning produce smoke, right? So when Sandy asked to his mother that mother, people what they do, they usually burn the leaves. Okay, burn the leaves. So won't we burn that we will not burn that. He is when he saw his mother throwing the leaves into the pit, he got surprised. He says that people usually burn the leaves, we will not burn that. Then his mother says, no, we must not burn these leaves. Burning leaves produce smoke. The smoke pollutes the air. Okay, when we burn something, that pollutes, that produces smoke, and smoke pollutes the air. See, any smoke, not only burning smoke, any smoke pollutes the air, pollutes our environment. Okay, when the air from the factories also pollutes the air from the vehicles running on the road, they also pollutes our air or environment. That all pollutes air. Every smoke pollutes air. That's why Sandy's mother says that we will not burn the leaves, because after burning the leaves, that will produce smoke, and smoke will pollute the air. Okay, the leaves in this pit will turn into manure one day. We can use this manure in the soil to help our plants to grow better. Okay, so when the mother says that we will not burn that, what will we do? We will throw into pit, because after some time the leaves into the pit turn into manure. Okay, so what is manure? Manure is a type of fertilizer. Okay, fertilizer, you when we grow crops, we use fertilizer to grow them better, right? So fertilizers are used to grow the crops better, right? So when the leaves will turn into manure, that will also help the plants to grow better now. That's why their mother says that when leaves in the pit, after some time, that will turn into manure. Okay, manure is a kind of fertilizer, but it is the fertilizer which is made by the humans or the animals. Okay, that is not factory made fertilizer, that is the waste of human and animals. Okay, so manure is a kind of fertilizer, but that is not factory made fertilizer, that is waste of human and animals. So their mother says that the leaves throws in the pit will turn into manure after some day, and that we will use that manure our plants better. Okay, so the fertilizer are used to grow our crops better, right? So the manure will also help us to grow plants better. Okay, the children wonder how their leaves would look as manure. So the children were not known about how the leaves will turn into manure, how will that look. Okay, so they all wonder after listening their mother that the leaves will turn into manure. They all wonder, they all got surprised that how the leaves will turn into manure and how will that look. Okay, so that is saying that when the children heard about the leaves will turn into manure, after some day they all surprised and they all wonder, they all start thinking that how the leaves manure will look like. Okay, so that was the chapter My Trees Have No Leaves, and this chapter finished here. Okay, I hope that you all have understood the chapter. Now I'm ending this here. We will continue next chapter in the next class. Okay, till then, stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.